YouTube. I got today my Motorola Droid Razr, and I just wanted to show a quick look of the phone once I get it out of the box. I'm replacing my Droid Charge. Gave me so many issues with the signal. I'm on my third replacement, and finally, I pushed Verizon so much and they accepted to let me pay the $300 and do an early upgrade and get a different phone, so I chose the Razr. I have to say that my first impression is that I'm crazy, extremely impressed with how big and thin this phone is. Super, very nice looking phone. Very thin. I will be making another review later once I activate the phone. Thank you for watching.